Okay, so in this second part of the video on the forex market, we want to look at where and when does the forex market operate. And to answer this question, we'll be visiting forextimezoneconverter.com. So we just log on to www.forex.timezoneconverter.com and we'll be seeing the table from there. So here we have the site open, and usually when you open by default, the time zone here is usually set as GMT. So you just select your own particular time zone. In our case, we are in Lagos, so we select Africa Lagos since we are in Nigeria. Okay, so here you have the table. This table tells you about the Forex Market Center, the time zone, when it opens, closes, and the status for each market. And it refreshes every 5 minutes. You can decide to change the time for refreshing. You can change the settings from 0, meaning that it doesn't refresh at all, or 1 minute, or 10 minutes, to any amount. Okay, I think it's from 1 minute up. 0 means no refreshing. All right. Now here we have the various market center. Talk about the market location. You have the center located. Now it's an interbank market that has no physical location, no physical presence is required. So it revolves around the globe. Beginning, we have the first one here, Frankfurt, Germany Forex Market Center, followed by London, Great Britain Market Center. You have the New York, United States Market Center, Sydney, Australia Market Center, and the Tokyo, Japan Market Center. Now, under the Forex Market Center for Frankfurt, Germany, the time zone is Europe, Berlin, while the opening time, Lagos time, is 7 a.m. It opens at 7 a.m. and will close at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. when it closes. So currently the status is that it's open currently because the time is not yet up to 3 p.m. It's just about 20 minutes to 2 at the time of recording this. Now the London, Great Britain Market Center is under the time zone Europe, London, and it opens at 8 a.m. local time, Nigerian time, and closes at 4 p.m. Nigerian time. So this one has up more than 2 hours to operate. Currently it is open under the status section or column. Then the New York, United States Forex Market Center operates under the American New York time zone and opens at 1 p.m. and runs all the way to 9 p.m. Currently, the status is open. Fourth Forex Market Center is Sydney, Australia, which operates under the time zone Australia, Sydney, and opens 11 p.m. to close at 7 a.m. the next day. Currently, it is closed because it's no longer in between the time range when it should open. And then the last but not the least is Tokyo, Japan Forex Market Center, which operates under the Asia Tokyo time zone, and it opens at 12 midnight and closes at 8 a.m. Currently, it has a closed status. So this is about where the forex market is located. It's located in about 5 forex market centers in Germany, in Great Britain, in the United States, Australia, and Japan. And when you can see the time for opening, and there is a period of overlap of 3 market centers or sessions which is currently happening. That 3 market overlap begins at 1 p.m. and runs all the way to 3 p.m. and then you now have 2 market overlap. Meanwhile, 2 market overlap begins at around 12 midnight all the way to 7 a.m. and then from 7 a.m. Second market overlap begins with Tokyo, Japan, and Frankfurt, Germany, all the way to 8 a.m. when Tokyo closes, and then another 2 market overlap will then begin again with London, Great Britain at 8 a.m. and the Frankfurt, Germany, and run all the way to 1 p.m. when New York will join them to form a 3 market overlap. I believe that you have learned a thing or two from here about where the market is located and when it operates. All right, so take your time, revisit the sites and check it again. Read the material information you can find on this site. Remember again, forex.timezoneconverter.com is the link for the website where you can check out where and when the forex market operates. Check out the next video on the trading platform MetaTrader 4. Thank you and God bless you.